Hello everybody, my name is Nick and you're watching for the Leet unboxing video for the Joby GorillaPod 5K kit. Now this is a GorillaPod and a Joby BallHead. This is a photo head, and when we open the box, in the top is the instruction manual, and we'll go over the instruction manual right now because it has 6 instructions basically. How to put on the plate, and how to put it on the camera, how to remove the ball head, and how to use the ball head. Pretty much you don't really need the instructions. And also here you can see that it has a 1/4 thread with the 3/8 adapter. So yeah, that's basically all of the instructions you have. Yeah, and the other side is blank. It's pretty easy to use and pretty intuitive. So here you have just this plate. It's to hold it in place, and now thing about this tripod and what separates it from the other tabletop tripods is that this is actually capable of carrying really heavy loads. Officially it's stated that it can carry as much as 5 kilograms. It's said on the box at least. Where did I see it? Oh yes, maximum 5 kilograms. But as you can see, it's the picture is so that you are holding the tripod like so, almost. So basically holding 5 kilograms from this side. But on the pictures, as you can see, it's carrying tripods on the, well, something like pipe or a branch, or holding it as a selfie stick. Now that's basically holding it like so, and then using the camera for vloggings. It's quite useful for that, most definitely, although it's quite heavy. So yeah, that's something you should keep in mind. Now, why did I decide to actually make a video about this particular tripod? Well, because most tabletop tripods that I saw, while perfectly suitable for carrying something like a smartphone or point and shoot camera or action camera or something like that, none of them were really suitable for carrying something like full frame DSLR, especially one with a grip, something quite a bit heavier. This most definitely is capable of carrying that. When you start moving these legs, you realize how tight this is, and this is made out of aluminum. So yeah, it's machined aluminum. It's very well built, and I really would not have any problems putting my faith in this particular tripod in order to, for instance, hang it on the branch. Like, let's say you have a branch here, and then I would place it like so, and then hang my 6D. Well, it is quite old camera at this point, but still, I really would not have any problems just letting the camera hang from a tree branch. Okay, now as you can see, I am trying to just manage this so that it looks a bit nicer, but it is quite heavy, and everything is so tight on this, so it's very hard to move the legs. So yeah, I really would not have any trouble just hanging my tripod like you see here. It's really. Oh, obviously I would hang it right like this. I really would not hesitate to place my fate in this particular tripod. Simply because when you take it in hand and you see how tightly and how hard it is to move these legs, you really notice that it is a totally different ball game than other tabletop tripods and other tripods that are made in the similar design. Now, obviously, as I've said, that 5K limit, at least from everything that I can see, is if you, well, leave the legs in position like so, let's say, and then put your camera on top, then that 5K limit officially applies. Although again, it is pretty sturdy, so it is a bit different than other tabletop tripods. So yeah, all in all, I really do like this, and if you're thinking about buying a tripod, the GorillaPod or GorillaPod with a 5K kit, I can highly recommend it. You're watching Leet. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until the next time, goodbye.